Hello friends, let us see what it takes to make a good quality sublimation heat transfer on a t-shirt or fabric. So this is our design for today. It's printed in mirror mode. Observe how it's folded in half to create its midpoint. The t-shirt has been pre-pressed, though it still appears wrinkly in the video. As a rule of thumb, we place the transfer sheet 3 fingers below the neckline. Once satisfied, it's secured tightly with a heat tape. Then t-shirt is folded over to cover the transfer paper, and then we proceed to place it on the heat machine's lower platen. As you can see, the machine is hot and ready. We place a normal A3 copy paper to cover it all and close the machine. Note the temperature is around 332 Fahrenheit. It will go up to 375 Fahrenheit for around 60 seconds. So the time is over now. We carefully open the top cover of the machine and check the quality of the transfer carefully without removing the heat tape. When you are satisfied that it has sublimated properly and there are no fade edges, then you can proceed to remove the transfer paper from the t-shirt. Now suppose it's a bit faded at the top, then with the transfer paper still sticking to the t-shirt, move the t-shirt a little bit to the right side and again press the machine down to reheat it for another 60 seconds. After that, we can safely remove the transfer paper and admire at our creation. A splendid transfer indeed, without any messy blotches or fade marks. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and picked up a trick or two to help you in your future projects. Thank you very much.